Hey guys, it's Bobby, and welcome to the series of how to grow your YouTube channel in 2020 to get more views, to get more subscribers, and to make more money on YouTube other than ads, right? So today is tip number 7, right? And it's use lists, right? L-I-S-T, lists. What do you mean by that, right? So in a world of short attention spans, right? So think of your social media feed, like Facebook feed, Instagram, even YouTube, right? Or even Facebook ads. People will just click out of it after like 3 or 5 seconds. It's a microwave culture, guys. Nowadays, we just want to go ahead and warm up our food in like 30 seconds in a microwave, right? Does that make sense? So a list style video will actually keep your viewers' attention span intact, right? They're gonna want to watch the whole video because we're triggered in our mind. So yeah, list style videos, guys. So what that means, if I said, oh, in this video I'm gonna talk about the 5 tips to get more views on YouTube, stick to the end. I'm gonna give you the most important one and I'll unleash the secret. That viewer will automatically think in their head, wow, I'm gonna wait until the 5th tip, so they're gonna watch throughout the whole video. It's what they call the open loop, where we close at the end. Does that make sense? Yeah, please comment down below. I want to know if you guys are doing this and what type of lists you guys are making. Number lists, A to Z list, how-to list. Yeah, let me know, guys. When someone starts a list, they want to finish it, right? Because that's human nature. Once you start something, you want to finish it. Even if you don't know consciously, it's subconscious, guys. So once you start to listen between tip number 1 to number 7, like today, right? Then that means you're gonna listen to watch all my videos up until 30 tips. Does that make sense, guys? Right. So if you guys like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Give me a comment down below. Click the notification bell because more tips and tricks in YouTube later on this month. So the key is to keep things simple, right, guys? So how do you do that? So let's start off with 3. Hey, this is the top 3 tips to get more views, more subscribers, and make more money in YouTube. And then you go into your video, right? So that's the hook. The hook or headline. The first thing you should say to your viewers on your YouTube video. Does that make sense? Yeah. Please comment down below. I want to know what your hook is. And if, what's the most successful hook that you have. Maybe we can share that in the comments and I can share you my favorite hook. Another variation of this is, today I'm going to talk about 3 points of how to get more views on YouTube. Or I'm going to talk about 3 tips of how to get more views on YouTube. And of course, make sure to walk your viewers and audience through the whole points or steps, the whole list, right? So tip number 1, how to grow your viewers. Tip number 2, you'd have to do keyword research. Tip number 3, you'd have to use YouTube Chrome extensions to view all the behind the scenes metrics, right? Tip number 4, you have to model after successful videos. Tip number 5, you have to subscribe to this channel. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Stay tuned till tomorrow. I'm going to talk about more of a subscriber list. And that's tip number 8. And like I said, guys, if you guys do like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.